What you all want? Well, you're a big cow, ain't you, with your big horns? Fresh looking beef. Old mate is rocking the truck. What you doing, you big mental cow? Go that way anyway. Got stuff to do. They're gonna try and follow me through the gate. Welcome back. So I'm up at the unit. I caught a swarm in there 2 days ago. I've just been putting back together this hive and sorting stuff out. Wow, these bees are attacking me now. They weren't earlier. But I think the queen is just well, this one's in here with me. Come on, get out. I think the queen's just been on a mating flight. And it's just come back. Because they're going bonkers now. They weren't a minute like, well, 5 minutes ago. And you could hear a lot of drone noise. And they're all fanning to the doorway. They have been sniffing around this Chinese flowered up hive. Or some bees are sniffing around it. Yeah, a big swarm went in there. It's one of mine from down the bottom. I know which hive it's out of because I see it triggered the camera. So I know where it come from. But they left queenless because I was I'd split them and I left them 2 queen cells. So I guess as soon as one queen cell hatched, they must have left with her, I reckon. Because there's still a good amount of bees down there. So, yeah. But they were already split. There's only 2 colonies I'm waiting for to get queen right, and that was one of them. And I double checked and left them just 2 swarm cells, 2 capped cells. They were uncapped when I first checked. When I did the split, they were uncapped. There were 2. I knocked all the others down except for 2 that were midway through, not fully capped. I removed the original queen and then yeah, so left them 2 swarm cells. So I'm guessing when one emerged, they're left with that queen. And the other queen will be left in the box. But I think that's what's just happened, is the queen's been on a mating flight and she's just come back. Or they don't like the box and they're pissing off. Who knows? It's cooking hot anyway. I was working in my unit sorting stuff out, but bees are coming and attacking me. Well, not attacking me, but I reckon they're gonna. So they ain't calming down much. It does sound like a swarm. The cat swarmed twice, they're already in there. Do we think a mating flight by the queen? Oh, here comes one of them Happybees. Anyway, I was sorting out frames. Bees in here. Sorting out frames. Taking out old wax. Loads of frames to build.